we're gonna start releasing it. We're gonna start down here. This side is even worse. Right side is worse. Table makes a lot of noise. Good. You okay? She's like, yeah, I think I'm okay. Good. Turn to this side, face me. Why on your side? You alright?
Oh my god.
Turn to this side, right there and there. Straighten this bottom leg out. Get that one right there. And slide a little bit more towards me.
Okay.
Gonna get this right here. Gonna get that right there. Nice and easy. That's good.
Yeah.
There really is no cracking in the spine. Okay, we're gonna have to.
Oh, shit.
Sorry. Oh God, too funny. Oh God, too funny. There really is no cracking of the spine. Just a pressure change. Just like when you open a wine bottle. Straighten this one out right there.
Okay.
Right there and there.
Feels so good.
And let's stand up. That was good. You're gonna put your back. Oh, sorry. You're gonna put your back to that wall right there.